colossal neoclassical sculpture on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty is one of the most iconic places to visit in New York City. It is a copper statue. The Statue of Liberty enlightening the world was gifted by France to the United States for French.
Times Square, located at Broadway, 7th Avenue cornered by 42nd and 47th Streets, Times Square is a major commercial intersection, tourist destination, entertainment hub, and one of the major New York City attractions. Dating back to the 1880s, its original name was Longacre Square. However, the mayor of New York renamed it Times Square in 1904, after the popular daily The New York Times took up residence in the building. Metropolitan Museum of Art, locally known as the Met, the Metropolitan Museum of Art is the largest art museum in America. It has a rich collection of over 2 million words, divided among 17 curatorial departments. One of the world's largest and finest art museums, you get the artworks of over 5,000 years representing the world's culture, from prehistory to the present and from every corner of the earth. Broadway and the Theater District. Broadway is the name of the oldest north-south running, diagonal road that begins from State Street at Bowling Green. The Theater District is an area in Midtown Manhattan, New York, where 41 major Broadway theaters are located. Also known as the Broadway Theater District, it is amongst the prominent New York City attractions, especially for theater lovers. Home to the city's best theaters, it is recognized as the heart of the entertainment industry. World Trade Center, a large complex of several buildings, the World Trade Center is located in the financial district of Lower Manhattan in New York City. The twin towers of the World Trade Center, the North and South, were devastated to an extent sufficient to shake the nation's spirit in the 9/11 attack. The buildings were then rebuilt and opened to people in 2014. Wall Street, an 8-block-long street located in the financial district of Lower Manhattan in New York City, the Wall Street is a 800 meters long stretch. The Wall Street extends in the west from Broadway to South Street and the East River in the east. Since ages, Wall Street has been headquarters of some of the largest brokerages and investment banks of the United States. Brooklyn Bridge, the first fixed crossing of the East River. The Brooklyn Bridge is a cable-stayed, suspension bridge that connects the boroughs of Manhattan and Brooklyn. It was the first bridge to use steel for cable wires. It is also considered as an amazing feat of the 19th century engineering marvels. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video about all the wonderful places in the New York, USA. Please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel to watch more amazing videos.